大家好，这里是赢了。今天终于逮到了 Look。
Oh, it's still me.
太难逮了。然后今天呢，可以看到我们来到一片有水的地方。那么这边的年轻人呢，有一个特别奇怪的现象，就是都不买房，要买船。这是为什么呢 ？Why there's many young generations they are buying boat here, but not a house.
Well, I don't know how many it is, but my two friends are examples. House is expensive. Gonna take 10 years more. They want to do something now. They want to enjoy their life. Get a boat.
Enjoy life and freedom, right?
You bet. The open water.
Yeah.
And the boat is so much cheaper than a house.
How much for the boat? How much is the boat?
We don't know. We don't ask.
You guess.
Can't guess because I don't know what a boat costs.
Okay.
I think less than 500,000.
Less than 500,000?
I think so.
那也差不多30多万了。看一下这个后边，全部都是有船的。看一下这个就是他们年轻人的生活态度啊，就是有狗、有酒、有船，然后就够了。
Great.
加拿大年轻人不是在喝醉的路上，就是在买船的路上。这个就是他朋友的船，上面还可以是漏顶的。That's cool. Whoa, so far here.
Get out there.
So when you get in, just don't hold on to this. 'Cause it's not meant to hold on like
Where should we hold?
hold here.
Yep.
Okay.
Vertical.
Okay.
You can keep your shoes on, babe.
Yeah, you could.
I would like barefoot. Ooh. Cool.
Yeah, welcome.
There's a basement? Or one floor?
We're on the first floor.
Yeah, this is the first floor.
I'm thinking about putting another story on it.
Uh-huh.
This boat has a big guitar down there.
哦，这里洗手池，看一下，好干净。
No.
这就是他们的睡觉的地方。This is the bed.
Come in, just stay.
Yeah.
It's actually surprising how many people are talking here.
Jesus.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This becomes a
下面也
sleeper
有
too.
两个。
This goes
Yeah, it's even
down.
got
哦，这里也
media.
可以睡
Yeah,
觉。
we have
What do
a
you
little
get on there?
TV.
Just internet or something?
Even a TV here. Amazing.
We just have a little antenna outside,
Oh,
and it
okay.
catches. It's mostly American
顶
TV, which
部
is
是那
hilarious.
个棉的，
So we get to watch
因为加拿
CSI
大冬天很
Miami
冷。
and Fear Factor.
Nice. And you have a carpeted ceiling.
This is
I've
a
never seen a
feature,
carpeted ceiling.
Canada.
Like
My God, it's like we're in a polar
this
bear.
is something about this like make of the
This year or
Chris-Craft.
whatever, yeah.
The 80s, they all had that. I don't know why.
It's awesome.
Oh, it's
I wouldn't have it
80s
any
thing.
other way. It's probably
It's
like,
kind of cool.
yeah.
So we come down here on the winter when it's on the dock, on the dry land, bring our little like gas heater
Yep.
and like we sleep here.
Fuck
Kind of
yeah.
glamping
Cool.
situation.
Yeah, it's glampy.
We
Yeah.
here have
I
air
have my
conditioning.
camping stove.
Air
and
condition?
stuff. We do have air conditioning.
Really?
Yeah.
So you can
We'll just
sleep
have to
here,
hook it
like
up.
not too
What's in
hot.
here? The toilet.
Oh, you're very in the bathroom
I
now.
like
Yeah.
that art.
Yeah.
Damn.
So we did like we painted the walls and like made it pretty and like stuff.
Right.
Stuff like
Good.
that.
Paint. Oh, you like this thing?
Yeah, like this
Yep.
the stick-on towels that are unsticking right now. Like we did that, and like all of this was in there.
Oh,
you know,
right.
like,
Okay. These
yeah.
are this
We, like,
nice
made
touches.
Yeah, like all of this.
This is a
like,
great little
storage.
kitchenette. Yeah.
This is our soda
Espresso maker.
stream to make bubble water
Oh.
for mix.
Oh, there you go.
This is just
Good.
oh, it's dead.
Uh-oh.
And where's this kind of water come from?
The water is from a tank. So the tank is underneath the seats outside. So we fill it up with water and then it's all
What
hooked
kind
up.
of water?
The tap water from
City
the
water?
city. Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So that's city
so
water.
they can drink.
City water, yeah.
Yeah, you could make
Well,
that.
you could. Because
Maybe
it's
not.
it has gone through all the tubes to get here and through the
You're not quite. Yeah, you can't be confident about the
the
boat
tubes.
itself, right?
So because it gets winterized with chemicals, so we never drink the water out of here.
Probably safer.
We
But at least you can
Yeah.
wash your hands.
we
or a
bring
dish
the
or
like the
something.
filtering jug.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
we
smart.
would do the dishes and stuff
Yeah, the water might come clean to the boat, but it might get dirtied by the boat.
by the boat.
Did Sean have any boating experience before you guys bought this thing?
No, neither of us did.
But I think it's probably easy to figure out. You don't have a license for this, right?
Yeah, but I think the hardest part would be to get out of here.
我们在想怎么去
Back
开
out
这个船。
safely.
No, actually, docking is the hardest part.
to get in.
Yeah.
Ah,
Because there's usually current, like it's
Yeah.
so different from like driving a car.
sure.
Because
Basically,
you're going, but then
no-
there's current working against you, and sometimes there's wind, so you're like doing one thing, but then it's doing something else, and it's an old boat, so it responds a little bit slowly. So
Is that
like,
true? It used to be a police boat?
No.
Oh, that's just a sticker?
Yeah.
Okay. Who knows? I mean, yeah. Why would a police
这是
boat
邻
have that?
居。没错，买船的人他们也有邻居，
Yeah,
互
it's
相
cool.
都认
We
识，
have,
因为
like,
每天
things
都
that,
是停在这个同样的地方，互相打招呼什么的。
Depth of the water. So like when you
后面的邻居，
anchor, you want to anchor in the
左边的
shallow.
右边的邻居，
Oh, it's a little
Tells-
sonar.
Yeah, yeah. It like it's a fish finder too. It tells you
Cool.
how fast you're going, and like you can do like tracking. Like you can put destination, and then it'll like you can just like follow the line.
That's a boat map.
And it, like yeah, it tells,
Sweet.
it
Yeah,
tells you where
basically
you
boat
are.
GPS plus.
Pretty
Yeah.
Boat GPS, because
Boat
you want to know
GPS.
other things.
Yeah.
Cool.
How
Yeah.
low is something? That's sick.
And then
This is
there's
awesome.
storage under the seating, so like all the life
Oh, can
jackets,
save save something.
life jackets and stuff.
All the necessities that if you don't
Some
have, you
very
get a pretty
short
hefty ticket.
储藏的
Yeah.
东西。
Yeah.
我们刚刚跟他朋友聊天，得知他朋友的船是二手的，然后买的时候是8000，然后原价可能是6万刀，还是8000刀啊？不是8000块。竟然在海边还有健身房呢！你看，他们晚上都住在船在这边，然后呢，大海就在，不是大海啊，他告诉我说这是一个大湖，但是可能是世界最大的湖之一，或者说加拿大最大的湖之一。我在玩，看一下这边，现在太阳没有出来，但确实特别好。哇，不错哦。看那个大的海鸥，
Ages up on the-
缓缓的
Yeah.
降落。
My
Because
dad
they
just
don't
got it.
upload anything, right?
Oh, well, look, that's download.
Well, that's download 25. Upload 10.
大海啊，你全是水。
Yeah.
I get it.
然后今天因为浪比较大，所以他朋友的船不会出海了。他们刚才看到这个船出海，还在惊讶说这个天气竟然出海，应该是会比较晃，所以你会坐着会晕船不舒服。像那个石头上面那些灰色的一个个全是海鸟，我刚开始我们都没看到，然后就发现它们的颜色竟然和石头的颜色都是一样的。现在我悄悄地走进这些小鸟，尽量不让它们不要发现我。好多都在午睡呢，我可能能走得更近一点。在加拿大这边学到最重要的一点就是小动物们不要去打扰它们，所以我也不希望打扰到它们。但我会悄悄地尽量走近一点，如果它们觉得被打扰了，我就撤回。Hello birds， Hello birds， 大家爱护水质，让小动物们可以快乐地和我们在一起。海边的垃圾要随手带走。